Meaning of entrapment.
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 Entrapment. Entrapment refers to the action of trapping someone into committing a crime or engaging in unlawful behavior that they would not have otherwise committed. The act of entrapment often involves luring an individual into performing an illegal activity by using deceitful or manipulative means. The result of entrapment can be severe legal consequences for the individual involved, including arrest, prosecution, and potentially incarceration. Entrapment is considered unethical and is generally not accepted as a valid law enforcement tactic.